Okay, so question 11. The iodine monochloride molecule, ICl, has a bond length of 2.49 angstroms and a dipole moment of 1.21 d. So this is called a dipole. Calculate the effective charge on chloride in units of electronic charge. Okay, so to do this, we're going to use the equation for dipole moment. So it's just denoted as this U is equal to QR. So this is our dipole moment. Q is the charge, and R is the distance separating the charge. Okay, so before we plug anything into this equation, I'm just going to convert all the units so that they are all the same. So if we recall that 1d or 1 dipole is the same thing as 3.34 times 10 to the negative 30 coulombs times meters, and also 1 angstrom is the same as 10 to the negative 10 meters. So now let's first solve for charge. So to solve for charge, it's going to be the dipole moment divided by R, which is the bond length. So this is equal to 1.21 dipole. And then we multiply this by the conversion factor, where 3.34 times 10 to the negative 30 coulombs times meters for 1 dipole. And this is all divided by the bond length. So this was 2.49 angstroms. And then again, we would just multiply this to convert to meters. So 10 to the negative 10 meters divided by 1 angstrom. So now we have our final charge in coulombs, and its value is 1.623 times 10 to the negative 20. Okay, so the question asks for the effective charge on chlorine in units of electronic charge. So step 2. For electronic charge, we just need to take our value in coulombs and multiply it by the conversion factor to convert to electronic charge, which is E. So 1E is equal to 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. And you end up with 0.101 E. So this is our effective charge on the chloride. So now let's see what the junior tutor said. Dipole moment is given by U is equal to QR. Q is the charge in coulombs, and R is the distance separating the charge. Rearranging the equation to solve for the charge, they also got 1.623 times 10 to the negative 20. And then they converted to electronic charge, so they got 0.101. And chlorine is more electronegative than iodine, so they just summarized that the effective charges would be chlorine negative 0.101 and iodine is positive 0.101. So the solution is correct.